Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to modify, how to change, how to add, how to remove activities in PipeDrive. So if you just found out that there are just too many activities and you are getting annoyed or irritated by them, or you would like to add some new specific activities that are typical for your business, then this video has been made just for you. So in order to, of course, start, we need to log in into our PipeDrive. I'm going to go to a random deal to show you what kind of activities I have right now. I'm going to hit activity, and then we are going to see the list here. So I have a call, I have a meeting, I have a task, deadline, email, lunch. And let's say that, this is too much for me and I would like to add something that is specific for my organization. So we are going to try to remove the deadline, we're going to remove the lunch, but we're going to add, let's say, a field trip or something like that. So in order to change any activities, you are going to need to go to upper right corner here to your avatar and then go to company settings. Remember that you need to have admin permissions or a person with admin permissions in order to make these changes. I'm going to click company settings and then I'm going to go to the activities tab here. And here you can see the list of activities that we have visible. And these buttons here on the right are going to decide whether you will have it visible or not. So let's say that I don't want lunch anymore. I still want to have email. I don't want a deadline. I would like to leave a task. I'm going to remove the meeting and I'm going to add a new one. So I'm going to add a one with, let's say, car here. And I'm going to name it field trip. Let's say that we often travel to our clients. And as you can see, I already should have 1, 2, 3, and 4 activities. You can also feel free to change the sequence in which they appear depending on the priorities in your organization. And you can do this by, dragging and dropping these 2 lines in here. And after that, I'm going to go back to my deals view here. And just so this can be somehow saved in there, I'm going to hit the refresh button in my browser. I'm going to wait a bit. And, after this, we are going to go to the same deal to show you if this has already been added and changed. And boom, here it is. So we have right now call, email, field trip, and task added to my PipeDrive. So this is how you actually modify activities. This is how you add or remove them depending on your needs. If this video was anyhow helpful for you, please do hit subscribe, give us a thumb up. And if you would like to get more information about PipeDrive, let me know what it should be in the comment section down below. If you have any questions about B2B sales or marketing, also let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Have a great day ahead and thanks for watching.